Please welcome your host.
Alright, so isang magandang hari po sa ating lahat. Good afternoon, everyone! Hello naman po, kamay-kamay naman po ang ating mga bisita na nandito po sa araw na ito. Ayan, and of course, before we officially begin our program, nais ko lang sana kamustahin ang gagawin po ng ating mga guests, and I also want to check your energy at the same time. So ladies and gentlemen, before we officially begin our program, maaari mo ba ako makarinig po muna mula sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas ba? Palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! Woohoo! Ayan! There you have it. Ganyan dapat kalakas ang energy natin. And at the same time, ganyan dapat... Ano daw? Joke lang. Ganyan dapat tayo masaya. Kasi, di ba? The show must go on even rain or shine, di ba? So, of course, we are all gathered here to witness and all to celebrate one very special occasion for our birthday celebrant po sa hapong ito. And by the way, good afternoon once again to each and every one of our guests and welcome aboard here at the venue dito po sa Ulingaw, San Rafael, Bulacan. And tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate the first birthday and dedication celebration of our birthday boy po, our baby boy sa hapong ito na si Ross Azriel. Pero syempre naman po, our program will not be able to push through kung wala pa po dito sa gitna ang pinaka-center or highlight po ng ating program. So that is why may I request lang po konting abala lang sa mga bisita natin kumakain. May I request each and everyone to please rise because of course, syempre naman, we are about to welcome them and give them the proper appropriate grand entrance po from the family and also our main highlight po na ating baby boy. So hinihiling ko lang po ang bawat isa natin mga bisita. Ladies and gentlemen, nakapag tinawag ko na po ang immediate family of Baby Azzy and of course Baby Azzy himself. Ay salubungan lang po natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan na may kasama na rin pong hiyawan. Alright, so we've got, syempre po as they walk here in our center aisle. Alright, so ready na po ba tayong lahat? Are we all guys ready? Bakit parang mahina? Isa pa. Are you all guys ready? Yes, alright. So handa na po tayong lahat. Salubungin natin sila sa masigabong palakpakan. Harap na po tayo doon. Brace yourselves and get ready because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only birthday boy for this afternoon together with his parents, namely Mommy Roslyn and Daddy Ariel. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all we're on stage. So good night, Baby Ross Azriel. Palakpakan po tayo everyone. Once again for Baby Azzy. There you go. Everyone, please remain standing lang po. Pilang lang po kung tatlo. And after the count of 3, ay sabay-sabay naman po natin patiin ng happy birthday si Baby Azzy. Ready na po tayo? Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, everybody say... Happy birthday! Happy birthday once again to Baby Azzy. And of course, as we go on with our program, please remain standing as we are about to officially continue on with our program with an opening prayer and prayer before meal to be led by Brother Jerry Rojas. Prayer game. So, dito natin malalaman na pagsusukat kung gaano ba natin kakilala si Baby Azzy. Ayan. So, of course, I'm talking about the first game that we are going to call entitled Questions about Baby Azzy. So, of course, before ko itanong yung mga questions, we will be giving 5 prizes equivalent po sa 5 masuwat na mananalo natin mga bisita. Paalala ko lamang po before we begin. Lahat po ng mga bisita natin nandito, kahit sino po ay pwedeng manalo despite of the age, gender, basta po lahat pwede, kids or adults po, basta po gusto manalo at makatanggap ng premyo. Ulitin po for this game, we'll be having 5 lucky winners na bibigyan namin ng prize one by one. Okay, so all you have to do, makinig lang po tayo mabuti. May mga itatanong lang po ako mga relevant at konektadong katanungan po about kay Baby Azzy. Let's try our best lang po sagutin. At itaas ang kamay sa nakakalaban. Kahit saan man kayo naroroon ay akin po kayong lalapitan upang makasagot. At kung tama yan, bibigay ko agad yung prize, di ba? At hindi po kasi ako ang magdedeklara kung tama or mali yan. Sila madam at sila si Ma'am Roslyn at saka si Daddy Ariel. So sir and ma'am, ang gagawin mo lang no, pag tama ang sagot, just 2 thumbs up. Pag mali, thumbs down. Kasi kayo magde-declare niya. Okay, ready na tayo? Don't you worry, lahat ng mga katanong po natin ay madadali lamang sa mga gustong sumali at manalo. Okay, let's have our first question, which happens to be the most basic question of all. Okay, ready na tayo? Taas na kamay sa nakakalam. Here's our first question. Okay? Ano po ba ang buong pangalan ni baby natin right now na nagtitimo ng kanyang first birthday and dedication right now? Buong pangalan, full name of baby. Ayun, agad-agad from Church of Christ. Nagkatakuhin lang natin. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. So, no need na magpakilala. So, siyempre nag-message na kayo kanina. Just state the answer lang. Madam, ano po ang full name ni baby Azzy?
Rose Azriel Tobias Santiago.
Let's confirm Rose Azriel Tobias Santiago. That is correct! There you go. Congratulations. Ang galing nga. Pati yung middle name mo, ma'am, nakuha. Congratulations. Rose Azriel Tobias Santiago, short for baby Azzy. Yan, galing. One down, 4 more winners to go. Let's have our second question. Ito na. For our next question, madali lang ito. Pakibigay nga po sa akin, kahit hindi naman po ko, ang mga pangalan ng mommy and daddy ni baby Azzy. Ano po pangalan nila? Taas ang kamay. Kahit wala na po yung surname. Ayun, doon tayo, tatakbo tayo doon. Hello, ma'am. Ayan. Buong, mas maganda sana kung buong pangalan, pero kahit yung name na lang. Ano po ang pangalan ng mommy and daddy nila? Pero bago ang lahat, ma'am, good afternoon. What's your name?
Manny Big.
Ma'am, ano po ba ang pangalan ng mga magulang or the parents of baby Azzy?
Rose Santiago and Ariel Santiago.
Let us see. Roslyn or Rose Santiago and Ariel Santiago ba? That is correct! There you go. Congratulations. Ang galing. Diba? Kabisado. Let's have our third question. Okay, galingan po muna natin. Ngayon naman, for our third question ay, kailan naman po ba ang eksaktong birthday ni baby Azzy? Kailan? Taas ang kamay. Kasama po pati taon. Ayun, si Madam, si Ninang. Naku, buenas kanina din natin. Good afternoon. Hindi ko na tatanungin ang pangalan mo, Madam. Sabihin mo na lang ang sagot. Kailan ba ang eksaktong birthday ni baby Azzy?
Siyempre, nandun ako So, alam ko. So, July 4, last year, 2024.
Let us confirm to the parents, July 4, 2024 is correct! There you go. Wait, dagdagan ko yung price. Marami sumasagot. Okay. So, July 4, 2024, last year, and exactly today, niya sinaselebrate ang kanyang first birthday. That is why. Alright, congratulations. Let's have our next question. Okay, buktukan natin yung ating katanungan. Okay? Kung si baby Azzy ay pinanganak noong July 4, 2024, saan naman po ba? O diba, saan pa lang mo? Saan po ba pinanganak si baby? So, let us see. Ninong, good afternoon. Ayan. Saan ba pinanganak si baby?
Sa Bustos Hospital, Santo Niño Hospital sa Bustos, Poblacion, Bulacan.
Okay, Santo Niño Hospital sa Bustos. That is correct! Congratulations, Ninong. Ayan, Santo Niño Hospital sa Dignidad, Poblacion, Bustos, Bulacan. Yung malapit sa munisipyo na. Ayan, okay, congratulations. Eto na nga, tungtong nga natin yan. Kung siya ay pinanganak noong July 4 right now, 2024, sa Santo Niño Hospital sa Bustos, pakibigay naman sa akin itong follow-up question natin. Anong oras o ba eksaktong ipinanganak si baby Azzy? Oras. Siyempre naman, di ba? May oras yan, may araw, may date. So, anong oras eksakto? Siyempre, walang clue. Di ko alam kung umaga, tanghali, gabi, madaling araw. So, let's see. Up and down, the people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.